Welcome back to Keys to Product Creation Success. And in this video, we're going to be talking about internet marketing product creation and the characteristics that all of your products should have. And we're going to be talking about what kind of things what are the elements of a successful product, and what are the elements of a product that people love to buy even before they see it. Now, the first thing that you want to do when you are considering creating an information product is, have you generated results in the area? This is the fastest way to be able to create an information product, because you're going to be sharing with people how you got a certain result. And typically this has to be a result that other people want. Maybe you got a bunch of traffic. Maybe you generated a lot of sales in a short period of time. Maybe you generated a lot of sales in a particular aspect of internet marketing, CPA marketing, freelancing, affiliate marketing. And so you want to show people the results you got and how you got them. And people, when you're able to generate results, most of the copy that you're going to write will write itself, because the copy is going to really be about the results that you got and how you're going to be able to show people how to get the same results. The fastest way to create an information product in internet marketing is to get a result. Get a result that other people want and then share that result with them. That is the way, the fastest and way that you can sell an information product that people are actually going to want and buy enthusiastically. And now these results need to be results that you can repeat. So in other words, this isn't a one-time thing, because if you can't repeat the results, you can't teach other people how to do it in their own business and in their own life. So the results need to be repeatable, and you need to be able to demonstrate that you repeat them and you're able to do this over and over again. Because again, if you can't do it over a second time, you can't very well explain to people how to do it. Your results need to be recorded. So this is a little difficult. As you are going through some of the things that you're doing in internet marketing, one of the reasons that you should be considering a blog is that you should be recording your results, because this is what you're going to use to go back and create your information product. So recorded results as you do them. And so you will be able to actually remember the steps that you're going to teach people. So you want to have a product that has results that you recorded as you were doing them. Research. So in other words, you want to be able to tell people why your method worked. So you need to understand what you were doing. You need to understand the medium you're operating in. If you've been able to generate a certain success during blogging, do you understand why the traffic came to you? Do you understand why the monetization worked? The research actually gives people the why. It makes it believable. It makes it palatable. It makes and in fact, it's really one of the elements of copywriting. Right? You know, social proof is great. In other words, social proof means that other people were able to get this result. But proof is, hey, this result works because it's scientific, right? It works because of these elements. That if anyone tries these results and does them this way, it will work. So research is what you need. It will validate what it is that you were trying to sell. It will make your method believable. Relate, right? It needs to be relative. In other words, it should be your product should really be something that really touches on something that people are actually doing, right? So in other words, it isn't something that's obscure. It's something that is directly relatable to what they're doing. So if you're doing a method, right, it should be very relevant to people in a certain niche. If you're going to be talking about blogging, right, you want to make sure that your method is about blogging. It's going to get them results in blogging. So find an area that you're getting results in, that you can repeat those results, that you've got them recorded, that you've done the research in it, in an area, right, that is relevant to people, right, relevant to people who want to make money online. You can have results in any area. But if you can't sell those results, if people aren't interested in them, then you're not going to have a successful information product. Reviews. And this is where social proof came in. So in other words, you want to have people to either use your method, you want to have them to use your product, You want to have them to take the steps that you've outlined, and you want them to be able to get the results you're getting, or the results you're going to promise people, or the results that you're going to show people how to get. Reviews are vital, right? Reviews mean that someone has looked at what you're doing and they've said, hey, you know what? I can do that. I've done it. Right? And what this does is this helps you during the sales process so that normal people can take your method and they can actually improve their lives in some way. So you need to have some people who will give you testimonials. And these should be real testimonials, folks. I know that today you could go out and you could get testimonials from your affiliates. You could go out and get testimonials from, from other people like yourself. But the most powerful testimonials, now the most powerful testimonials are always going to be people who've actually done what you're saying you want them to do, even if people don't know who they are. Right? When your testimonials are real, there is a character to them that you cannot get in any other way. Right? So get real reviews of people who have done your method, who have used your product, who have had success with what it is you're doing. And then this is something that you're going to reproduce over and over again. Once you've done through this, an internet marketer, right? The only way that you generate a successful internet marketing product is to produce the second one, right? So even if the second one isn't directly related to the first one, you will find that people will buy your first product. If they missed your first product, they'll go back and buy it if they found your second one before they saw anything else. Right? So the only way sometimes that you're going to get sales on the first product you create is get people to buy the second one. Sometimes the only way you're going to get people to buy your first and second product is to get them to see the third one. And so as you continue to create more products, you're going to reproduce this same pattern. Find something that people want to get results in and get results there. Repeat those results so that it's teachable. Record those results as you're going. Find out why you got the results you got. Research it. Okay? Make sure it's something relevant that people actually want to know and actually want to do. Get reviews. Get people to actually get the same results. And then reproduce it again, over and over again. And what you're going to find is that your product creation method is going to generate results for you and income for you over and over again. So those are the 7 R's of internet product creation. You have those elements. You will typically be able to create a successful information product, even if you have other elements that are lacking, even if you have graphics that are lacking, even if you have copy that is lacking, even if you have a small list. You can generate results and sell sell people access to the results you're getting, and you're teaching them how to get the same. You can have a successful information product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.